investing in Procapture saves you money. If you look at being able to control that lint problem, that you are not sending that lint down the vent and putting it to the outside, or again, if we see it quite frequently whether it's really typically near an HVAC unit. That HVAC unit will now start breaking down because you're covering it with lint. There's getting overheated, so you're going to have to be cleaning that unit out. The lint in the ductwork, that requires someone to come in there and pull that lint apart, the venting apart, clean that out. The PMing, the preventive maintenance on the dryers themselves, having to pull the fronts off, get in there and vacuum all that lint out. If we can capture all that and put it in the proper, it's got basically a lint box on it that we can put all that lint in there and not let that get into the rest of the system. That really does save you a tremendous amount of time and cost in terms of, future problems, lint fires, maintenance. Those costs go away. And so it's a safety issue, but it's also preventive maintenance, and certainly cost of doing all that maintenance is, there's a fairly short payback on that.